In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an email account from Outlook. If you no longer use a certain email account in Outlook, or you simply want to clean up your app and remove an old mailbox, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and wait for the program to load fully. It's a good idea to make sure Outlook is responding normally before you make any account changes. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, look toward the top left area of the window and click on File. This will open the Outlook account and settings menu, where you can manage the email accounts connected to the app. After that, find and click Account Settings. In many versions of Outlook, you may see account settings listed more than once, so simply choose the option that opens the account management window. This is the section where Outlook displays all the email accounts currently connected. Once the account settings window appears, take a moment to review the list of email accounts shown there. Click on the specific email account that you want to remove. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have more than one account connected to Outlook. Removing the wrong account can cause inconvenience, so it's worth double-checking before moving forward. With the correct account selected, click Remove. Outlook may show a confirmation message before completing the action. If it does, read it carefully and confirm that you want to remove that account. This helps prevent accidental changes. Keep in mind that removing an account from Outlook removes it from the app on that device, but it does not usually delete the actual email account itself. Your messages may still exist on the email provider's server, depending on the type of account you're using. This is an important distinction if you're worried about losing access permanently. After the account is removed, you can close the settings window and continue using Outlook as normal. If needed, you can always add an account back later through the same file and account settings area. And that's it. That's how to remove an email account from Outlook quickly and safely. If you're following along, just take your time. Make sure you choose the right account, and the process should only take a minute.